Okay, this is the Tampa Bay wallpaper installer with the final product on the York series. Grasscloth installation, grasscloth with shells, seashells. And you can see the beautiful shimmering seashells on the surface horizontally hand woven into the fabric of the grasscloth. You can see the variation in color with the pale yellow here going into the more vibrant yellow on this side. And I cut the grasscloth at the top at the crown molding, but on each side, this would be the factory edge side here. I caulked it and joined the painted surface to the grasscloth, making it a seamless transition. Same thing with the woodwork. I brought the woodwork paint up onto my grasscloth installation so as to give myself a very straight edge on the bottom. And on the side over here, I also did a caulked edge.